Hello everybody, it's been a while. This is Bosky and this is the Art of Unwinding channel. Close to a couple of months, we've all been shut down, twiddling our thumbs, sitting at home. Well, not necessarily. I guess some of us had more important things to take care of. I hope you have all done that and hopefully things will get back to normal, and I'm looking forward to hitting the highway with you all. Starting next weekend, I'm sure a lot of us will be out on the highway getting back to our weekend rides. And also, I felt this is the time to share some tips on highway riding which will help us be safe and help others be safe too. Unfortunately, in our country, we have some of the worst traffic conditions, some of the most indisciplined road users, and consequently dangerous situations. So today I will share some thoughts on lane positioning, which can help us enjoy our ride, our journey, and our travels in a little more safe manner. On a highway like this, where we have one lane onward and one lane return, if you notice the red motorcycle, that position just on the inside of the center line is the best place to be. This gives maximum visibility ahead, plus it gives the other traffic, the oncoming traffic, also visibility of the motorcycle we are on. Not only that, if there is a vehicle in front of us, we are in the rear view mirror of that vehicle. So that is the safest position inside of the center line. Just inside of the center line would be the best place. Now coming to the wider highway where we have two lanes either way, I suggest that a motorcyclist should stick to the right edge of the left lane. This way there is a lane fully clear for high speed traffic, and we all know how some of the cars drive today. Completely out of control. They literally travel at twice the speed of what we normally do. So the safest is to stick to the right side of the left lane. This way there is a room for the car to go and we are visible to the vehicle in front of our lane and gives us room to maneuver. We can swerve right or swerve left as required, because cattle hazard, human hazard, wrong way traffic hazard could be addressed to a large extent if we stick on this side. Now, before I go on to the bigger highway, which has got three lanes either way, let me tell you what we should avoid. Guys, please do not ride in this position. This is the worst lane positioning ever possible. Completely we are blind to cattle or a cyclist or a scooterist or anybody near a village or a town on the highway popping out of the median. So never ever ride on the right extreme of the highway, especially at high speeds. There is no time to react and there is no place other than running into that obstacle or swerving dangerously left. We don't have room. So kindly, please do not ride right next to the median. It is the most dangerous place to be. Now coming to the highway that's got three lanes either way. If you see the position of the red motorcycle, we are on the left of the middle lane. It may look unusual to see why we are there. Let me tell you. On this highway, the traffic is even faster. Now remember, all this I am speaking to you and sharing with you is for people who enjoy the ride at moderate speeds, and are those who are not in any great hurry to get to the destination. If you are a high speed full throttle guy, well, this may not be the one for you. However, this is for those who ride at moderate speeds, enjoy the journey, enjoy the sights, sounds and smells of the countryside and the highway. On these wider expressways, we will notice cars also overtaking us on the left. So in this position, we minimize the risk of that car causing trouble for us. There is room for high speed vehicles on the right, there is room for high speed vehicles on the left, and there is room for us to overtake a slow a vehicle, a truck, or anything, any hazard right in the middle of the lane, we can either go right or we can go left depending on the safer option. So, sticking to the left of the middle lane is the safest way on a 3-lane either side highway. And if you notice the lane positioning I am suggesting, the motorcycle I always recommend either on the left of the lane or right on the lane, not in the middle. That is because right in the middle, and if there is a four-wheeler in front of us, we never know what can crop out from under the car or the truck or a bus or whatever it is. We can have stone, debris, dead animal carcasses, a broken or exploded tire, or anything, any hazard that will pop up only from the middle or right from the center of a four-wheeler. So sticking in the wheel tracks, either the right or the left of the lane, helps us minimize the chances of an unexpected hazard. Besides, we can always look ahead of the vehicle in front and anticipate any unusual object on the road. There are also other hazards in the middle of a lane. Most of the sand, the oil, fuel, or anything, the minor small objects tend to collect in the middle of the lane where the tires don't run frequently. So the chances of getting a flat or chances of a skid are much higher if you run in the middle. So the safest is to run in the wheel tracks of the vehicles in front, which is either on the right side of the lane or on the left side of the lane. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found the lane positioning tips useful. Till next time, happy and safe motoring.